Yeah, don't worry, you're probably not even going to hear me talk today. So, because it's 83 degrees with 20-mile winds. So, I'm just going to the library. I want to pick up some movies. Aired up the tires on my bike. Brakes are still dirty. Don't care. Oh, just kidding. I do, but I don't. She's shifting good. Running good. Aired up the tires because my front tire was banging hard because it was too low. Oh. I still hate bumps. Bumps on a e-bike, but yes, it's very windy. Very windy. Very, very, very windy. No cut through Lake George. Again, as usual. Oh, traffic. Got traffic everywhere. Yes, there is. Golf carts. Which way is the wind blowing? Huh. Home. Oh, I gotta climb the hill. Listen to that wind. The wind is just blowing. Oh God almighty, bumps. Bumps almighty. Christ. Tear a bike apart. Or I don't like them on the motorcycle either. No, I don't. Gotta stop for traffic. Bucking into the wind, 20-mile-an-hour winds. See how bad the vision is today? I'll get out of here pretty soon. Maybe. Not sure. Cars keep coming, I won't. There's the wind again. The wind is wicked. fucking wind. Lots of it. Yep, library's open. Gotta go get some movies. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while. Alright, I'll stop you there. Alright, time to deal with some wind again. Damn. See if I can go with the wind. Can I? Maybe I can. Brakes are working good, bike's working good. Yeah, I can't be up in level 5. Cut her down to 4. That wind is wicked. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Probably cut you up here in a minute. I'll stop and see a friend. And don't worry, I'll put more on. Alright? But I'll leave you here for a few minutes. Yeah, very windy day. Take you down to Lake George. Roll around in the wind a little bit. Should probably be yelling at the camera because you can't hear me in the fucking wind, bro. Cars, turning. Keep turning. Traffic. All kinds of traffic. Yeah. Each of the winds. Well. Yeah, about time he goes, then I can go. There you go. See more e-bikes. There's an e-bike. You got all kinds of shit. Damn wind sucks. Yes, it does. There, I'm gonna run with the wind. Let's jump down here. Yeah, I had a fun little visit. Now I'm on my way home. Got a guy on an e-bike running slow. Want to go see a cop sitting in a parking lot? Nice bike. Let's go look at the cop. Cop's leaving the parking lot. Guess we didn't get to see the cop. It happens. Yeah, just a windy day. Out rolling around. Something to do. Something to do. Down that road. That one's really bumpy. Find a not so bumpy road. I think they all suck. Yeah, they all suck. They all suck. They're all bumpy. Somebody on the Karachima rocket. Oh, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm enjoying the day. But oh, bumps suck. Oh, neighbors out having a good day. Clicker down into 3. Now somebody's got to cut this. Looking like a jungle over here. Jungle. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next ride. Charlie Brown over and out.